Hi everybody, I'm Jamie from SoMuchBetterWithAge.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very special Mother's Day gift. Giving a bouquet of flowers on Mother's Day is a great idea, but why not make it extra special by giving her a very special vase that you've made yourself. All you need is a vase from the thrift store, some spray paint, and some stickers. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. So I have 3 vases that I got from the thrift store, and I have some different stickers. This one I picked up at our local craft store, and it's a Mother's Day theme. And I also got ones that look like lace. I'm going to try different ones for you to see, and you can customize it to fit your mom's personality and style. Let me show you. So for these stickers that say Happy Mother's Day, best mom ever, I'm going to pick this one. It has pink in it and green, my favorite color, as you can tell. We're going to remove it. We're going to want to place the sticker on the inside of our vase. Of course, there's no stickiness on the front of it, and we can't turn it around or you won't be able to see the writing. So we're going to take some clear adhesive spray, and we're just going to lightly spray the front of it so that we can stick it on. And then just find a spot where you think would be best inside the vase. Set this aside for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Once it's completely dried, we're going to take it outside and we're going to spray paint all the inside of it. I'm going to cover up the outside because we actually don't want spray paint anywhere on the outside. We only want it in the inside. Let that dry and I'll show you what it looks like when we bring it back in. Now I'm going to use a vase and the lace stickers. We can just stick these on directly on the inside of the vase, like so, because there are no words, so we don't have to worry about them looking mirrored. So they could be flowers, they could be hearts, anything that doesn't have a word on it. You can just randomly put them on the inside of the vase for a pattern. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take this outside, spray paint it in a well-ventilated area. So keep adding your stickers in whichever pattern you like, randomly, evenly spaced out is best. And then I'll show you what we do after that. So I just took some painter's tape and I just covered the first couple of inches at the top just to make sure there's no overspray. And then spray paint it. You're going to spray paint it inside, and you're going to make sure you get all the surface area on the inside, nowhere on the outside. And you'll probably need to do 1 to 3 coats, letting dry in between coats about 20 minutes or so. And then we'll show you what to do with it next. We're going to take off the painter's tape, and we're also going to take off the stickers on some of them. So you'll need some tweezers, and you're just going to remove like the lace stickers, and I have another one here where I put hearts on it so we can remove those. You can also keep them, but the negative space will show through. And remove these. You're left with a vase that has the custom color that your mom loves, and I love green. This one does have that sticker that we put on initially where we sprayed, and it says best mom ever. And it can be used all year round, or even just on Mother's Day. I just want to give you a couple quick tips when I was out there spraying. The larger the vase, the better. This narrow one was quite difficult to spray to get it down to the bottom. It just kind of kept spraying out, and a lot was around the top, and it was hard to get right down to the bottom. And the cylinder shape was a bit difficult as well, so I would recommend a larger type vase like this one. And I would just spray in short, quick blasts, like a little psh, 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 rather than a big long spray, because then it just gets like this big cloud and it doesn't really stick. So quick short blasts work really good. And I only needed 2 coats. The one coat worked perfect, and then I just did a quick second coat just to make sure I got the very bottom part. And I am going to put some flowers in it, ready for mom, and I'll show you the final result. So that's it. I hope you like this video today. I hope it's going to be a wonderful Mother's Day gift for your mom. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and head to SoMuchBetterWithAge.com to see all my DIY tutorials.